Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility and IVF specialist. Today I am going to discuss what does it mean by low AMH. What is AMH? AMH is a hormone called anti-Mullerian hormone. It is found in blood. We commonly advise this test when a couple comes with infertility, that is they are unable to conceive. In women, we advise this test. AMH reflects ovarian reserve. What is ovarian reserve? Remember, in a woman, eggs are not produced after birth. Women are born with certain number of eggs, and in each month, the majority of the eggs are getting destroyed. Only one egg can grow ultimately in each month, and if it can fertilize with the sperm, it can give rise to pregnancy. So what happens as the woman's age increases, the number of eggs decreases, and finally the woman lands up in menopause, that is all the eggs are exhausted, so after which the pregnancy is not possible and the period stops completely. So the number of eggs in a woman's body is called ovarian reserve, and there are number of ways how we can check ovarian reserve. One way is AMH, that is anti-Mullerian hormone. If the AMH is low, we say that ovarian reserve is low, that is the woman is having less number of eggs. Why does it happen? In majority of the time, we don't know why certain number of women they are having less ovarian reserve at younger age, because as I have said, as the age increases, the ovarian reserve decreases. So the AMH is expected to be low when the woman's age is around 35-40. But sometimes we find some women who are around 25, 30, 35 years, but they are coming to us with low AMH. Why? Majority of the time we don't know, but it may be because of some unknown reasons for which the destruction process, as I have said, the destruction of eggs continues, the destruction process is accelerated, that is they are having more destruction of eggs than other women. Cause, as I have said, 90% cases we don't know the cause, but sometimes we can find out the cause, like women whose mother had early menopause, that is if your mother had menopause at relatively younger age, your AMH is likely to be low even at younger age. If you receive some cancer treatment like chemotherapy or radiotherapy, in that case, if you had any surgery in ovaries like ovarian cyst operation, if you have endometriosis, in that case your ovarian reserve is likely to be low. Or in some cases some genetic factor, maybe there may be some problems in your gene, in your chromosome, in that case ovarian reserve is likely to be low. But even after extensive investigation, in most cases we don't know why ovarian reserve is low, why a woman is having less number of eggs, and why a woman is having low AMH compared to other women. Now what to do? Often the women are becoming very anxious, doctor, I am having low AMH, can I become mother? We say, look, AMH is a report. We are not treating the report, we are treating the couple. So we have to see other reports like the condition of your fallopian tubes, condition of your uterus, condition of your husband's sperm, and most important is the age. So the main treatment depends on age. If your age is on the relatively younger side, you are not trying for pregnancy for longer time, husband's sperm and fallopian tubes are okay, then nothing to worry at this point. Low AMH means we have to speed up the treatment, that is we cannot wait for indefinite period of time, but that does not mean that at this point you need IVF or at this point you need egg donation. You can try naturally, because if the lady is of younger age, we see AFC, antral follicular count, that is we insert some special type of ultrasound probe in the vagina, we call it TVS, and we see the number of eggs in the ovaries, we call it AFC, antral follicular count. If that is okay, you can try naturally, we can give some medicine called ovulation induction. If that fails, we can go for IUI. If all this fails, then we can go for IVF. Remember, if your age is on younger side, the chance that you conceive naturally is very high. And if your age is on the other hand higher side, you cannot waste much time. In that case, we try ovulation induction for short period of time, 2 to 3 cycles, then we go for IUI for 2 to 3 cycles. If that fails, we have to go for IVF, because if we waste time, in that case what happens, the eggs will be exhausted and you may land up in a condition where you may require egg donation. So that's why you have to balance between over treatment and under treatment. So low AMH does not always mean that you need IVF, but you have to go for fertility treatment. Depending on other condition, you should not delay your treatment. Thank you very much for watching this video.